Bilang panimula po sa aming mga katanungan, may kamalayan po ba kayo sa mga katangian ng isang mabuting mamamayan?
Yes po, I am. Actually, alumni rin ako ng UST, College of Science. As far as I can remember, it's being makabayan, makatao, makadiyos, and makakalikasan.
Okay, next question po. Paano mo maipapakita ang mga katangian ng pagiging mabuting mamamayan sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay?
Magandang tanong po yan. Dahil dapat talaga naituturo sa lahat ng tao ang pagiging mabuting tao. Bilang nanay, hindi lang po ako kagawad nanay din po ako ng 3 anak ko. At ate naman ako ng 7 kami na magkakapatid. So, ako ang eldest. Para maging mabuting tao ka, kailangan totoo ka, peace-loving ka, compassionate ka, kailangan nirerespeto mo lahat ng suggestions, kailangan pinapakinggan mo lahat ng voice na magsasabi kung ano yung gusto ng bawat isa. Kailangan patas ka, kailangan may batas kayong susundin. Maraming mga bagay na maaaring ituro para maging isang mabuting citizen. Para sa akin, nag-uumpisa yun sa pamilya. Kaya dapat bilang nanay, dapat naituturo ng mga magulang sa mga anak ang tamang pag-uugali para lumaki ang bata na may takot sa Diyos at maging makadiyos, para rin marunong makisama sa bayan, marunong makipagkapwa-tao, at mahal ang kalikasan.
Ayun po, yung isa ko naman pong tanong ay paano niyo po matutulungan na matuto ang ibang mga tao patungkol po sa mga good citizenship values?
Bilang kagawad po, makakatulong ako na ituro sa kapwa ko kagawad, sa mga constituents namin, sa barangay, yung pakikipagkapwa-tao. Isang simpleng lang naman yun simpleng salita lang yun, pero yung pakikisama sa kapwa-tao, malaking bagay ang naituturo nun sa mga constituents. Yung ipinapakita mong tama, mabuti, na nakakapagpasaya sa bawat tao, malaking bagay na yun para ma-instill sa kanila yung value ng pakikipagkapwa-tao. Sana sana maging aware lahat, hindi lang mga kagawad, lahat ng tao, lahat ng nanay, lahat ng tatay, lahat ng mga magulang, lahat ng ate, ng kuya, yung simpleng pakikipagkapwa-tao, pagiging mabuting tao, pagiging totoo, at pagiging matulungin, malaking bagay po para sa ikakabuti rin ng komunidad. Kasi tayo naman ginawa ng Diyos para magtulungan eh. Kaya tayo magkakasama. Kaya tayo magkakapitbahay. Kaya tayo magkakabarangay. Kasi we are all here for each other. Hindi naman tayo basta, diyan ka, bahala ka sarili mo. Hindi ganoon. Tayong lahat may dahilan ng Diyos kung bakit tayo pinagtagpo, pinagsama-sama sa isang lugar. Kaya sana yung simpleng pakikipagkapwa-tao matutunan ng bawat isa. Yun lang. Bawat po. Makakatulong ako na ituro sa kapwa ko magawad, sa mga constituents namin, sa barangay, yung pakikipagkapwa-tao. Isang simpleng lang naman yun simpleng salita lang yun, pero yung pakikisama sa kapwa-tao, malaking bagay ang naituturo nun sa mga constituents. Yung ipinapakita mong tama, mabuti, na nakakapagpasaya sa bawat tao, malaking bagay na yun para ma-instill sa kanila yung value ng pakikipagkapwa-tao.
Sige, first question po. Pwede mo po bang ilarawan ng iyong trabaho at kung ano ang iyong mga ginagawa sa pang-araw-araw?
Hello, I am a professional English teacher since 2007. So currently, I am a freelance online teacher and also a full-time stay-at-home mom.
Sa inyo pong trabaho, ano po ang iyong katangian na sa tingin niyo po ay nagpapahiwatig ng pagiging isang mabuting mamamayan sa ating bansa?
In my chosen profession as a teacher, I not only impart teaching the English subject to my students, but also I teach them how to become good citizens by incorporating compassion, respect, and taking responsibility for my actions with the way I carry myself in front of everybody, especially in front of my students.
Can you discuss what are the good citizenship values you often see or observe that are exhibited by the Filipinos?
I have observed that Filipinos are good citizens of our country with having close family ties, especially with those who are not even blood relatives. So they really accommodate everybody and treat everyone as their family. The second thing that I observe is that the Filipinos are very flexible and they can adapt to different situations, especially during calamities that often happen in our country. And thirdly, being a good citizen will also entail being religious and also having faith, especially during troubling times. So these are the things that I really admire about Filipinos the most.
Based from the interview, one important thing that I have learned is that even if we have our own matters to attend to, like being a kagawad or being a student myself, we still consider the significance of our innately good behavior as humans within each of us. And this leads to our invisible connections and a harmonious way of living life together. Moving on, the vital values that I think are necessary for the youth in nation building are love and peace, as sacrifice and responsibility goes hand in hand in forming a harmonious society. If I were to share an experience wherein I have expressed such values, it would be when I was still studying my junior high school in UST Angelicum College, a school that had a non-graded system, meaning that advancing modules was the key. And so when I advancedly accomplished my modules with the extra time I have, I willingly help my other classmates by assisting them or teaching them the lessons that they did not understand.
Ang pinakatumatak sa akin ay ang importance ng pagiging compassionate, respectful at ang pagkakaroon ng empathy sapagkat tunay na iba't ibang klase ng mga tao ang nakakasalamuhan natin sa pang-araw-araw. Para sa mga kabataan, ang pagiging makakalikasan ay importante sapagkat sa tumataas na level ng polusyon ay nararapat nating mas ingatan ang ating kalikasan. At ang ginagawa ko naman na nagpapakita ng good citizenship value ay ang pagdodonate ng mga gamit at damit sa mga bata sapagkat alam kong mas magagamit nila iyon at mas mapapakinabangan nila.
Okay, so I think the most significant point that made an impact to me was when our first interviewee mentioned that the value that makes a good citizen is that she's a compassionate and respectful person towards her colleagues and the community. I believe we do not always see this compassion and respect in line with the good citizenship values in our current country's politics. Next, I believe all four good citizenship values are important naman. However, the value that the Filipino youth should improve and highlight is pagmakatao. In a generation that is easily influenced by false information through social media, the youth must be resilient against these false practices by practicing truth and justice while promoting love and peace for the common good of our nation. Lastly, a specific experience where you display good citizenship. Like I said, the value that the youth should improve and highlight is pagmakatao. This also stems from a personal experience of mine during political imbalances in the country. I promoted truth and justice with factual information and campaigned and educated those around me with peace. My intention was never to force them to vote who I vote. Rather, my intention was for them to realize the importance of research from reliable sources and correct information. That is all.
The biggest impact from me from that interview was regarding the interviewee's answers regarding the question on what good citizenship values were often displayed by Filipinos. Because as what they said, Filipinos display a strong sense of care for one another. And regarding the good citizenship value that is vital for the youth to become a catalyst in nation building for me is yung pagiging makabayan. Based on that interview, Filipinos truly have a deep care for one another despite not knowing who the person is or where they came from. It seems like it is somewhat innate for us Filipinos to help one another, especially for the common good. And then the specific experience where I displayed good citizenship was when I was in school and this police officer approached me and asked me a simple question regarding his report that he was writing in that logbook. And through that, despite not knowing who that person was or where he came from, I decided to help him anyway because that's how I believe that's how Filipinos should be. They should always be willing to help with a smile.
A really significant point for me is that in most line of services, knowing how to socialize, interact, and respect people are some of the most needed skills when it comes to working. Love is a good citizenship value, for everything that we do must come from love. Everything that we do must come from pagmamalasakit. And my mom works as a meat vendor, and whenever I can, I always help. Being there teaches me how to treat people and interact with them.